I am just not a big fan of cleaning ceiling fans, especially when the ceiling fan is 18 feet above the ground. So I want to do whatever I can to not have to clean the tops of my fans very often. This has just been 1 year, and it's gross.
Ew, gross.
Let's learn about fan cleaning and keeping dust off of fans on a fan that's easier to access, first of all. And then we'll do this one. Look at this. And it's thick stuff. I mean, this is like dust bunnies.
You're a bad bunny.
Oh, somebody's finally catching up.
That's dropping quite a bit of dust in the air. I don't want that falling all over my house, and I certainly don't want it falling in my bedroom where I do 1/3 of my breathing during the day. So I want to make sure this thing's clean and dust-free. And I want to keep it dust-free. Man, I hate getting up here. Then I'm going to use 4 different methods to clean off the blade. We'll see which one does the best in cleaning it up and also eliminating dust that falls down. By the way, make sure your power's turned off to your fan. Can you imagine? Don't let that happen. I saw several people online suggest that you use a pillowcase. I've got a couple concerns with this. Number one, I don't like putting dust. I know I'm gonna wash this, but I don't like putting dust in something that's gonna go next to my face. Don't love that. Here we go. It's on. And I'll tell you, this isn't, it doesn't slide. Here we go. Let's try this. All right, that, you know, it kept the dust, but there's the other thing is I'm going blind. I can't see, and when I remove it, I see dust here. I see dust specifically there. Second one, I'm going to choose just a microfiber rag. Microfiber towels are really good at collecting dust, and they have a lot of surface. And they also create a little bit of static.
Enjoy the show.
Which makes dust stick to them. I have a feeling that this is going to work better than the pillowcase. Let's give it a try. I feel it did a lot better. I didn't see dust dropping down. It collected dust really well. It went faster. I could see what was going on. And around these screws that connect the fan blade, they're much cleaner. In fact, yeah, I had to clean up what happened with the towel. So out of the 2 so far, I go with this one. Third one, I'm going to use a Swiffer.
You should have used a Swiffer, boy.
Now these, I'm going to get a brand new one, just put it on. And these are meant to kind of fluff up like this, break them apart so it creates more of a surface space. And then this is going to go over. All right, so I collected a lot, there's no question. But there's still left some here and up here, especially around the screw heads. So I'm surprised. I actually expected this one to work the best, and it didn't. Microfiber still wins. I'm going to do the cleanup with microfiber. Before pillowcases were invented, before Swiffers were invented, and before plastics and microfiber were invented,
Back in my day,
we used rags and water. Let's see how that does. It's actually created kind of a muddy dust.
Hey, it's okay, it's okay.
It's still got dust on it, but it's now almost glued on. And around here, it's almost impossible to get in there and get those. It's evident, you know where my preference is, and I didn't go in thinking that. I thought the Swiffer and the water would be the cleanest and best way to go about it. But microfiber totally wins on this one. It cleans much better.
Why do you think we have a winner?
Microfiber was easier. I could feel and see what was going on as I cleaned. It cleaned better, and it held everything in really well, collected the dust really well. So microfiber wins for me for fans. I will put nothing on here. I'm not going to treat this, not going to do anything differently. For my second one, I'm going to try a dryer sheet. It smells good. So I'm just going to rub this. I don't know. Doesn't seem like it put a lot on it. It does have a waxy feel to it, and it has left a waxy feel on here. Next one I'm going to try is fabric softener. This is liquid fabric softener diluted down 50-50 with water. My hands feel smooth and it smells delicious.
Well, this is delicious.
Natural beauty every time you dust. Lemon scented furniture polish. That is lemony fresh.
Lemon shrimp.
I'm a touch dubious when it comes to the pledge because I sense that has oils in it, whether it's lemon oil or any other oils. And oil has a tendency to collect dust. So this may just be a gimmick or a scam to where I'm using their product to clean and it smells clean and it cleans immediately, but then it actually picks up more dust that makes me want to use more of it to clean the dust that there is.
That's specious reasoning, Dad.
Thank you, honey.
Deb, this one's for you. Liquid spray starch. The idea is that it will create a barrier which will not allow the dust to sit on it. Again, I'm Jared from DIY with Confidence. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful and instructive, and we're not done yet. And then we might even wait for 2 and 3 and 4 months to see what happens to report back on. We ought to make sure that as we're in our houses, the air that we breathe is the cleanest, dusting off and so forth. But owing to the fact that we spend 1/4 to 1/3 of our time breathing air in our bedrooms, that ought to be the cleanest air, I think. And so consider getting an air filtration device, something that's a local filtering device that might go in your bedroom to help you breathe cleaner and better. I've been surprised at what a difference it makes. Watch my other video where I rate the Winix air purifier. It's a space purifier meant to purify, a small area. So please give me a like, subscribe to this so that you can know when the next video comes up and we can see the results. All done. Now let's wait. I think it's time for a SpongeBob clip.
Many months later.